Hello to all my learners at zakinglish. Today we will learn something very important. This channel is made for your success. Make sure to study hard.
The fear of failure is a lie. Have you ever felt frozen by the fear of making a mistake? You want to start a project, learn a language, or change your life? But a silent voice whispers, "What if you fail?" As a human being, your brain is hardwired to protect you. But here is the psychological truth. Your brain often confuses uncertainty with danger. Failing isn't the opposite of success. It is a fundamental part of it. To build unshakable confidence, you must shift your perspective. Stop asking, "What if I fail?" and start asking, "What will I learn if things don't go as planned?" Growth lives outside your comfort zone. Take that small step today. Embrace the struggle. And remember, perfection is an illusion, but progress is real. Now we move to key vocabulary. Hardwired, something you are born with, or that is an automatic part of how you think or behave. So, it is very difficult to change. Example, fear of loud noises is hardwired into our brains to keep us safe. Uncertainty, a situation where you do not know what will happen next or what the truth is. Example, starting a new job can bring a lot of uncertainty. Perspective, the way you see, understand, or think about something based on your experiences. Example, traveling to new countries can change your perspective on life. Comfort zone, a situation or situation type where you feel safe, relaxed, and comfortable because everything is familiar and easy for you. Example, to learn new skills, you often have to step outside your comfort zone. And remember,